Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of viewing the community moderators in X. Community moderators play a vital role in maintaining a positive and engaging environment. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to view the community moderators in X. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Ensure that you're on the home screen to begin the process. Step 2. Locate the middle icon in the bottom drawer of the app. This icon represents the community section. Tap on it to access the community page. Step 3. On the community page, either tap on the desired community icon or utilize the search icon to find the community you want to explore. Choose the method that suits your preference. Step 4. Once you're on the community page, look for the About option in the top drawer. Tap on it to access the About section. Step 5. Scroll down within the About section until you find the Members section. Tap on the More button to view the complete list of community members. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to view the community moderators in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.